Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove the SIM card from your iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, or standard iPhone 16 and Plus. Let's get started. All right, in order for this to work, you're going to need a few things. The first one is the SIM card ejection tool, and you can find this inside your iPhone box. It should be between the charger and the charging cable. Now, if you don't have this, you can use an earring or a paper clip, but just choose something that's not too sharp. Otherwise, it could damage the internals of the SIM card tray. Next, you're going to need a SIM card, and the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and 16s use a Nano-SIM, just like they did with the previous generation iPhones. And if you don't have one, you'll need to get it from your carrier. Once you have everything you need, locate the SIM card tray on the left side of the iPhone, and you'll see it right here with the hole. You're then going to use the SIM card ejection tool, and we'll put it in the slot just like that. You'll see how it looks. And now to remove the SIM card tray from the iPhone, you're just going to press down in a straight line in that hole, and you want to press with some force. Watch when I press how it just pops right out. It isn't that hard, but you do need to give it a little bit of a press. Once it's popped out, you can pull out the SIM card tray just like this. Okay, and take note of the SIM card tray, flip it over, if it comes out this way, of that little slot. When we go to insert the SIM card into the SIM card tray, you want to make sure that that slot is in the same position as the SIM card. You're just going to take the SIM card, place it into that slot. It should fit right in like a puzzle. From there, we're just going to repeat the step back with our iPhone and take note of which direction the hole is on the iPhone and on the actual SIM card tray. So I'm holding it like this. I'm going to place it back in. And this is very important. Don't let the SIM card fall in there. If it's not in this slot correctly and it falls in, you're going to lose the SIM card in your phone. At this point, just give it a press, and that's it. Your SIM card is installed. And if you look to the top right, you'll notice that your service should come back. Removing the SIM card tray is exactly the same steps. So that's how you insert and remove the SIM card on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16, and iPhone 16 Plus. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And if you're looking to learn more about the iPhone 16 phones, there's a full playlist of tutorials, tips, and tricks in the description. Check it out and learn more to get the most out of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.